Worker minions in Kubernetes are like the superheroes who do the heavy lifting and execute tasks assigned to them by Captain Control Plane. As we refer to her, is the Kubernetes control plane. They are responsible for running and maintaining the containers, superheroes inside pods, basically teams of superheroes that make up your applications. Welcome to Women in Cloud Native, where we drop gems for those in tech, those interested in getting into tech, and everyone in between. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next week when we drop new content. Here are some examples of what worker minions do and how they work. 1. Container management. Worker minions are responsible for managing containers within pods. They start, stop, and restart containers as needed, ensuring that your applications are always running. A good way to think of it is, if you have a web application running in a container, a worker minion will make sure that the container is up and running, serving web pages to users. 2. Load balancing. Worker minions work together with load balancer Lucy to distribute incoming requests evenly among the superheroes' pods. This ensures that no one superhero pod is overwhelmed. If your website receives a lot of visitors, worker minions help balance the incoming traffic among multiple pods, preventing any single pod from getting too much work. 3. Scaling. Worker minions are responsible for scaling your applications. When Captain Control Plane decides that more superheroes pods are needed to handle increased demand, worker minions create additional pods. For instance, if you're hosting a popular online game and more players are joining, worker minions can automatically create more pods to accommodate the additional players, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. 4. Resource allocation. Worker minions allocate and manage CPU and memory resources for containers within pods. They ensure that each superhero container gets the resources it needs to perform its tasks effectively. If you have a superhero who needs a lot of CPU power to process data quickly, worker minions allocate the necessary CPU resources to that container so it can work efficiently. 5. Networking. Worker minions handle networking tasks, such as routing traffic to the correct pods and ensuring that superheroes' containers can communicate with each other as needed. In a multi-tier application, worker minions make sure that the front-end superheroes can talk to the back-end superheroes so that the whole application functions properly. 6. Monitoring and health checks. Worker minions continuously monitor the health of the superheroes' containers they manage. If a superhero becomes unresponsive or unhealthy, worker minions can take actions to restart or replace it. If one superhero container in a pod crashes due to a bug, worker minions detect the issue and can start a new superhero to take its place, ensuring the application remains available. 7. Updating and maintenance. When updates or changes are needed, worker minions help with rolling updates. They replace old superheroes, pods with new ones one at a time, ensuring minimal disruption to your applications. Suppose you have a superhero team running a chat application. When you release a new version with exciting features, worker minions help deploy the update gradually so users can continue chatting without interruptions. In summary, worker minions in Kubernetes are like the dependable and hard-working members of a superhero team. They execute tasks assigned by Captain Control Plane to ensure the smooth operation of your applications. They manage containers, balance loads, scale resources, handle networking, monitor health, and assist with updates, all while working together to keep your applications running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for joining us at Women in Cloud Native. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next week when we drop more gems.